Hey, have you ever wondered what powers some of your favorite apps and games? Let me introduce you to CSharp, or C# for short. It's a modern, object-oriented programming language created by Microsoft, and trust me, it's way more approachable than it sounds. So why should you care about C#? Well, first off, it's beginner-friendly, but packs a punch. If you're just starting out, you'll love how clear and structured it is. Plus, it's strongly typed, which basically means it helps you avoid those annoying bugs that can trip up your code. But here's where it gets really cool. C# works hand-in-hand with something called Net. Think of Net as the supercharged engine that runs your C# code. It gives you access to a massive library of tools, making it a breeze to build anything from desktop apps, slick websites, mobile apps, games. Yeah, Unity uses C#. And get this, Net isn't just for Windows anymore. Thanks to Net Core and the latest on Net 8, you can build and run your projects on pretty much any platform you want. Whether you're dreaming of making games cloud apps or even your own productivity tools, C# and .NET have got your back. Here's a fun fact. C# has been around since the year 2000, and it just keeps getting better. Today, it's one of the top choices for developers all over the world. So if you're looking to dive into the world of coding, C# and .NET are an awesome place to start. With this combo, you can literally build almost anything you can imagine. Ready to get started? Let's code!